I'm in my garden. I've got my camera. I think I see Gary down there. I think he's moving his asparagus plants and he's got seeds coming up and crowns he's moving. Let's see if I can run down there since I've got the camera and kind of ask him what's going on in the garden with his asparagus. He loves his purple passion. Yeah, he loves the... Oh, hi you. Okay, let's go down real quick. See if we can give a talk and see if he's there. I see him. I think I see him. Let me see it. Let me see. Yep, there he is. Let's go. So these little asparagus here growing on the ground came out of those pots on the deck?
Yeah.
Boy, they took off now that you put them down here.
They did. There's even a lettuce the rabbits haven't found yet.
They'll find it.
See that I transplanted too. But I broadcast asparagus seeds here and they didn't grow. So now these crowns I just want to continue along. I'll remove the canners and just have a row of asparagus along here.
So what you're saying is the asparagus seem to grow better straight in the ground, not in any type of container.
Yeah, they do better in the ground, and it's better to start them than start them as seeds and then transplant them as crowns, because seed doesn't seem to come up that well in the wood chips.
So the seeds transplant really easy.
The seedlings, yeah.
The seedlings transplant easy. Well, that's a good idea. You start them inside and then you put them in the ground. Once they're in the ground, they have a big root system they set down, don't they?
Yeah, and this will be for next 8 to 10 years or whatever. Rabbits don't touch asparagus, so I can plant it on the outside of my garden.
Cool. And then the ones that you've got over here, they're in the hot tub, is that what it is?
Yeah, they're in the hot tub, and I think I restricted their root system. They do okay, but they don't do that great. They should do better. And this is purple passion.
Oh, because they get such a big root system that they can't set the deep tap roots down.
Yeah, and this is sitting on bedrock. So all the nutrients they're getting are from the hot tub itself. Whatever's in the hot tub, that's the only nutrient source it probably has. I mean, it does have a hole in the bottom. They can travel outside, but it's bedrock underneath this.
And that makes sense, especially they have so many vitamins and nutrients, asparagus, because they're known to have a deep root system. Look at all the seeds they produce.
Produce seeds. They did not go dormant, so they continued to stay green, and now it's April, springtime, and they're throwing seeds. And they're also sending up crowns that we've been harvesting from here.
Oh, I see the crowns. Okay.
These are older crowns, but we've harvested quite a few crowns.
But
not crowns, what do you call them? Spears.
Spears. But they'll do so much better once they're actually transplanted into the ground, because then they can just set their roots off everywhere.
Yeah.
Well, that'll be good. So you set them in the ground, and then you leave all your kale and stuff to grow in the hot tub.
Yeah, this is going to be great for greens. The greens do well in this.
And don't throw this away. This is a weed, but this is very nutritious.
Yeah, the small leaves like that taste like lettuce. The larger leaves like that taste like lettuce that's bolted.
It looks so much like dandelion, but this is sow thistle?
Sow thistle. It's related to the dandelion, but we can't grow dandelion very well here. We don't have enough water. This does well in a more arid environment.
Look how beautiful this is. It's so green. And then the goldfinches love the seeds. They just hang all over it, the goldfinches. But yeah, because I juice the greens. Sometimes I even put it in our eggs, the greens on this. All right, so we'll transplant. You'll get them all out and you'll put them in the ground, and then we should have tons of asparagus. And that does make sense. But I mean, you tried it and you saw, I wouldn't call it a total failure, but you know, you tried it and they just don't do as well as they should do, asparagus in a tub.
So I tried it, didn't go as well as I'd hoped, so I'll try it. I've tried it in another spot.
Okay. And we'll do more seeds, because you've got hundreds of seeds, don't you?
Yes.
We'll get more seeds planted on the deck in, you know, the black containers. and they grew really well. And then as soon as they start and they're a couple inches tall, you can just transplant them. We'll get that going. All right. Well, that's good to know. So tell everybody to have a great day.
Yeah, have a great day, and don't forget to eat what you grow. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to our channel, feel free to subscribe to our channel. Our subscriber base is building, and we've got a lot of people watching from all over the world and in different environments and different climates, and I can't think of anything else.
So say goodbye. Have a great day.
Have a great day. Goodbye.